Bonjour, je suis Nishi. Hello, this is Nishi. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the French subject pronouns, les pronoms sujet français. Learning subject pronouns are important for any language, as without these we can't make a sentence, right? And also conjugate the verbs. This is my 5th tutorial. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing my channel and click the bell icon to have all the updates. Now, what is subject pronouns? The subject pronouns replace the person or the thing doing an action. For example, Sophie is playing. So if we replace Sophie by a subject pronoun, it will become she is playing. Sophie is replaced by she, and here she is a subject pronoun. In English, the subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, they, and it. Same goes for the French. The subject pronouns are two types, singular and plural. The singular subject pronouns in French are je, tu, il, elle, on. Je, tu, il, elle, on. Je means I, tu, you, il, he or it, elle, she or it, on, one or we. Je, tu, il, elle, on. Here, one is not a number, like one must learn French, indicating people must learn French. The plural subject pronouns are nous, vous, ils, elles. Nous is we, vous is you, ils, they, elles, they. Nous, vous, ils, elles. Listen all the subject pronouns once again, and if you want, try to repeat after me. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, ils, elles. Now I know you are confused why there is to you, to we, to they, and to it. Nothing to worry. I am here to clear the confusions. Tu and vous both means you, but we use tu in informal case, like with people you speak to casually, like your friend or people younger than you. And vous use in formal case to show politeness. It used both for one or more than one person. Now let's see some examples. Suppose there are 4 persons. One is your teacher, one is your friend, an unknown person, and a child. We will address them by using either tu or vous. When we will address teacher, we will use vous. For a friend, tu. For an unknown person, vous, and a child, tu. I think you are clear now. Next, on and nous. Both means we. On use informally and nous use formally. Il and elle both means they. Suppose there are a group of boys, or if there are both boy and girl, or if there are masculine gender things, we use il. As we know, all nouns in French are either masculine or feminine, so il use if there are masculine gender things, and elle if there are a group of girls, or if there are feminine gender things, we use elle. Let's see some examples. Les garçons, the boys. We have to replace the boys by they. So what should we use? We will use ils, they, because les garçons are masculine and plural. Les mères, the mothers. Il or elle, what should we use? As the mothers are plural and feminine, we will replace them by elle. Les mères, elles. Deux femmes et un garçon, two girls and a boy. As there are both girl and boy, so we will replace them by ils, they. Now for the things. Les livres sont bons, the books are good. Now we will replace the books by they, and it will become ils sont bons, they are good. We used ils because livre is masculine. Les pommes sont bonnes, the apples are good. Now to replace the apples by they, we will use elles sont bonnes, elles sont bonnes, elles, because pomme is feminine. Now il and elle both means it, like it is expensive. Il or elle est cher. You have to use il if the object or thing is masculine, and elle if the object is feminine. I think you are clear now. Now we will revise all the subject pronouns once again and with their uses. Jo. Jo is I. Tu, you, informally. Il, he or it for masculine. Elle, she or it for feminine. On is one or we, informally. Nous is we, formally. Vous is you, formally, or if there are more than one person. Ils, they, for masculine or mixed masculine and feminine. Elles, also they, for feminine. Now the most important thing, you have to learn these subject pronouns in a specific order, because this order will help you to conjugate the verbs. So the order is jo, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il or elle. Jo, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il or elle. Try to learn the subject pronouns in this order. Let's play a little game. Here are two columns, column A and column B, and you have to match them. For example, on means one or we. So this one match with this one. Just like this. On, one or we. Now your turn. Try to do it. I'm giving you some time, or you can pause the video and do it. Okay, start now. I think you did well. Now see the answers. Vous. Vous means you, but which one? Informally or formally? Vous, you, formally. Ils, they, jo, I. Elle, she, tu, you, informally. Let me know how was it for you. Comment below if you have any question and I will get back to you as soon as I can. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up, and if you have any question, comment below. A bientôt, au revoir. Bye bye.